Shining brighter than ever ang Kapuso stars and personalities sa grand unveiling ng Kapuso Photo Wall. Just in time para sa 75th anniversary ng GMA this year. Makichika kay Lars Santiago.
Lalong nagliwanag ang mga koridor sa ground floor ng GMA Network Center dahil sa mga bagong lagay na larawan ng Kapuso artists and personalities. All shot with a diamond-like backdrop dahil 75th anniversary ng GMA ngayong taon. Welcome sa bagong Kapuso Photo Wall na pinasinayaan kanina.
It's a small token of our appreciation for all of their work and the happiness and strength that they all bring us.
This is our way of honoring our talents na who has contributed to the success of the network.
Nasa gallery ang photos ni Dingdong Dantes, Marian Rivera, Alden Richards, Heart Evangelista, Dennis Trillo, Jenilyn Mercado, Julian San Jose at iba pang Kapuso artists.
Looking at the photos, masaya ako na na-share ko ang screen o ang stage kasama ang mga talented na Kapuso artists na to.
An honor to be part of this wall. Nag-pay off lahat ng hard work and of course, I've been a loyal Kapuso.
Masarap po sa puso na kabilang po ako dito sa punong-puno ng artista.
Super thankful po and grateful. Lalo na 2025 is actually my 10th year with GMA.
Nasa photo wall ang mga mamamahayag ng GMA tulad ni 24 oras anchor Mel Chanco, Vicky Morales at Emil Sumangil. Unang hirit host Arnold Clavio at KMJS host Jessica Soho.
Napakalaking honor yan na makapiling mo sa photo wall na ito ang mga talagang bigating mga artista at mga news personalities ng GMA. Yung mapasama ka dito, napakalaking blessing. Thank you to GMA.
Kasama rin sa wall ang larawan ng namayapang Kapuso anchor at broadcaster na si Mike Enriquez at iba pang personalidad ng GMA Integrated News at Public Affairs. Bukod kina President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr. at Executive Vice President and CFO Felipe S. Yalong. Nasa pagkapasinaya rin sina Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, Senior Vice President for GMA Entertainment Group, Lilibeth G. Razonable, Vice President for Corporate Affairs and Communications, Angel Javier Cruz, at Vice President for Public Affairs, Arlene Carnay. Dumating din ang ilan sa mga members ng Board of Directors ng GMA Network tulad ni na Executive Committee Chairman Joel G. Jimenez, dating Chief Justice Artemio Panganiban, Laura Jimenez Westfall at Judith R. Duavit Vasquez. Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.